Hello everyone, we're moving on now to the second key area of physiology and health, hormonal control of reproduction, where in this video we'll explore the initial onset of the sex hormones during puberty. So we might not know exactly what or why puberty is triggered, but we do know that it starts in the brain with the hypothalamus. So the hypothalamus will release the releaser hormone, which will travel to another important brain structure, the pituitary gland, which is responsible for producing a whole host of different hormones. So this and releaser hormone will trigger the pituitary gland to make things such as follicle stimulating hormone (FSH) or luteinizing hormone (LH), which is otherwise known as interstitial cell stimulating hormone (ICSH) when looking at the male reproductive system. So let's take a closer look now at some of these key hormones. So, follicle stimulating hormone (FSH), the follicle which it is stimulating is either the follicles within the ovaries containing the ova cells, or indeed the immature sperm cells within the seminiferous tubules. Luteinizing hormone (LH), which is needed to trigger ovulation during the menstrual cycle, but also known as ICSH within the male system. So, as the name suggests, what is stimulating in the male reproductive system are those interstitial cells, triggering the release of the testosterone. So, ICSH, testosterone, and of course FSH, all needed for the gamete production. So let's try some past paper questions. Remember, you only have multiple choice if you are doing the end of year SQA exam. If you're doing a unit by unit approach, then same kind of knowledge tested but presented in the restricted response version. So try both of these questions and see how we get on. Okay. So first one, the multiple choice. The onset of puberty in males is triggered by a secretion from the got to be B, the hypothalamus. Remember, puberty always begins with the hypothalamus. So, the second question, name the part of the brain that produces the releaser hormone, which triggers FSH and LH secretion at puberty. That's the style of question you'll get in the unit by unit assessments. So, in this case, you have to recognise okay, releaser hormones, that must be the hypothalamus. Hope this video has helped introduce the different hormones. If you do have any questions or anything needing cleared up, please do just let me know.